Okay, in today's recording, we're going to learn how to create a signature in Microsoft Word. Of course, to get started, you will need to have a Microsoft Word document open. As you can see here, I have a signature line that has been created with an actual signature on top of that. To create that, click inside your Word document and go to the Insert tab here at the top. Click on Insert and move over to the right, and what you will need to do in the text area is select Signature Line. In the signature line, then you have the option to add the signer's name and the signer's title. You have an option to do email here in this line, but it will not show up in your Word document. Click OK to accept, and you now have a new signature line with that person and that title's information displayed. To create the signature, it is actually a separate graphic, and this is the fun part. I would suggest clicking down below your signature line to start drawing this tool. Again, on the Insert tab, go over to the text area again, but this time we're going to choose Object. Click on Object, opens the Object window, and you'll need to select Bitmap Image. Okay, opens up the Paint window. Now it opens up in a square frame. I would suggest dragging this handle and make it more rectangle to give you a little bit more drawing area. At this time we could change our pencil, we can change our brushes, we can change the size of our line, and we can also change the color. For today's purposes, we're just going to keep it simple and black. Now with the left mouse key, I'm going to draw in my signature. Now this does take a little bit of practice. So play around with it. Draw a few lines. If you don't like it, there is an erase tool over in the Tools group. Erase, draw to you. Something that you are happy with. There we go. Make sure all my eyes are dotted. Okay, to get back to my Word document, I just click in the Word document and it will apply this graphic. As I said earlier, we do have two separate graphics here. So we will need to do a little bit of editing. As you can see, since I made that box a little bit more rectangle, I will have to crop off some of the dead area here. So with the image selected, I will need to go to the Picture Tools and Format. Now it is to the back, so just click on Format to bring it to the foreground. And choose your Crop tool over here in the Size area to actually edit the cropping area. And with the left mouse key, you can grab with these little handles and drag inward. Each edge, and I'm just going to drag in until I get rid of some of this white area here. Okay, now I have a smaller graphic, a little bit better cropped area, and I need to place this graphic on top of my signature. But to do that, I will need to use the Wrap Text tool. Wrap Text will allow me to put that text in front of that signature line. In front of, and now I can drag and drop it on top of my signature line. But notice there, when I drop my signature on there, the line disappears. That's because there's a little bit of white background here in this graphic, so we need to remove that white background. If you're not on the Format tool here, Picture Tools, Format, click there again, come over here to the Adjust group, click Recolor, set Transparent Area. Now we want to click inside the white area. Careful, don't click too close to your actual signature line because your signature will disappear. Click in that white area and the background disappears. So now I can drag my graphic up a little bit. It's still a little bit too big, no big deal. Just grab a corner handle and drag inward. The corners make sure that your lines don't skew and stretch and get too tall or too wide. Now you can use your mouse to adjust, or the arrow keys will let you kind of nudge your graphic down on top of that signature line. And there you have it. You have a signature on top of the signature line inside of Word. If you have any questions, just contact me at kmcbride@wakehealth.edu, or you're welcome to call me at 336-716-9074.